Before the internet gave us the word simp, Hollywood already showed us the original. His name was Philip Carey, and his tragic love story in Of Human Bondage proves that toxic obsession is nothing new. Starring Leslie Howard and Betty Davis in her breakthrough role, this black and white classic gave us one of cinema's most savage scenes. When Mildred tears Philip's paintings and burns his medical books, nearly 90 years later, it still shocks audiences and still feels painfully relevant. Based on W. Somerset Maugham's novel, the story follows Philip Carey, a sensitive medical student with a physical disability. He craves affection and belonging. When he meets Mildred Rogers, a waitress with sharp features and a sharper tongue, he falls instantly in love. But here's the problem. Mildred does not love him. She mocks him, uses him, humiliates him, and yet Philip can't stay away. In today's language, we'd call him the OG simp, the man who sacrifices dignity and self-respect for someone who barely acknowledges his worth. What makes Philip's story timeless is how relatable it is. Who hasn't known someone who gives everything? Time, money, love to a person who doesn't care. Philip represents that universal weakness, the belief that if we just love harder, they'll change. But Mildred never changes. Instead, she takes advantage. And Betty Davis doesn't hold back. Her portrayal of Mildred is unapologetically cruel. She laughs at Philip, discards him for other men, and drags him back when it's convenient. It is a cycle of humiliation. The most unforgettable moment comes when Philip begins to rebuild his life. He pours himself into painting, studying, and finally finds some stability. But when Mildred returns, everything collapses. In one of the coldest acts ever put on screen, Mildred storms into his apartment. She was already there. She tears his paintings to shreds. And then, as if that wasn't enough, she burns his medical bills. Years of his effort, his future, his very sense of purpose, gone in flames. This scene is brutal not just because of what Mildred destroys, but because of what Philip lets her destroy. His art, his studies, his dignity, all sacrificed at the altar of his obsession. What makes this film unforgettable is how modern it feels. Toxic relationships, blind devotion, emotional manipulation, these aren't new problems. Philip Carey shows us that the struggles of the human heart haven't changed in 100 years. People laugh and call him the OG simp, but his story is really a warning. Love without boundaries isn't love, it's bondage. And obsession can burn your life to ashes, just as literally as Mildred burned his books. Of Human Bondage is more than a movie, it's a lesson carved in celluloid. Betty Davis cemented her place in Hollywood history by daring to play a woman so unlikable, so ruthless that she became unforgettable. And Philip Carey, he will forever be remembered as cinema's original simp. The man who loved so blindly that he let his art, his future, and his dignity go up in flames. Nearly 90 years later, the film still asks us the same questions. Why do we chain ourselves to those who hurt us? And when will we learn to set ourselves free? So I hope you liked my overview. If you did, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you all in the next video. Thank you.